In tech, rumors spread fast, especially when Elon Musk is involved. Lately, there's buzz that Musk is eyeing the Pi network, a crypto project aiming to make digital money easy for everyone. Both Musk's X Money and Pi network want to build community-powered payment systems. The similarities have sparked debate. Is Musk copying Pi, or is it just parallel innovation? Let's dive in and see if Musk is really watching Pi, or if it's just great minds thinking alike. Stay tuned. Elon Musk's X Money is his latest ambitious project. He wants X to be the everything app, inspired by China's WeChat. Imagine chatting, shopping, and banking all in one place. X Money aims to let users send money, pay for goods, and manage savings, without leaving the app. Musk confirmed X Money is coming soon, with a cautious, secure rollout. There's strong speculation about crypto integration, given Musk's history with Dogecoin and Bitcoin. If Musk pulls it off, X Money could redefine how we move money online. While Musk builds X Money from the top down, the Pi network has been growing from the ground up. Launched in 2019 by Stanford grads, Pi's mission is simple: make crypto accessible to everyone. Unlike Bitcoin, Pi lets users mine coins on their smartphones with minimal energy use. No fancy hardware needed. Just open the app, tap a button, and earn Pi. This simplicity has fueled explosive growth. Pi's vision goes beyond mining. It wants to power a peer-to-peer marketplace where users buy and sell with PiCoin. The project's community-first approach, using referrals, has attracted over 47 million users by late 2023. Despite its size, Pi has moved cautiously, operating in an enclosed mainnet phase. Its blockchain is live, but PiCoin isn't yet tradable on major exchanges. This lets the team focus on building apps and infrastructure before opening up to the world. The strategy: sustainable, secure growth over hype. Millions are waiting for Pi to go fully public, hoping it will deliver on its promise of a truly usable, decentralized digital currency. The next phase could be a game changer. Will Pi's grassroots approach pay off? X Money and Pi Network share a striking vision, making digital finance a seamless part of social life. Musk wants to turn X into a global hub where sending money is as easy as sending a message. Pi Network started by building a massive community, then set out to create a financial ecosystem around it. Both projects know that mass adoption means meeting people where they are, on their phones and social platforms. Their mobile-first, socially integrated approach is what sets them apart from old-school banking. For X Money, it's about adding a send money button next to likes and reposts. For Pi, it's about making PiCoin the default currency in its suite of apps. The real similarity? Both aim to empower everyday users, not just banks or big corporations. Musk talks about giving more power to creators and individuals. Pi's philosophy is decentralization and community ownership. These projects are tapping into a global demand for user-friendly, community-driven financial tools. Whether top-down or grassroots, the goal is the same: make money social, simple, and accessible. The race is on to see which model wins hearts and wallets. The stakes couldn't be higher. Despite similar goals, X Money and Pi Network are built on opposite philosophies. X Money is centralized, owned and controlled by Musk's company like PayPal or Venmo. This means fast decisions, unified updates, and easier regulatory compliance. But users must trust X with their money and data. X will process transactions and hold funds, possibly using blockchain, but ultimate control stays with the company. In contrast, Pi Network is decentralized. No single owner, just a distributed network of users running nodes. Pi uses a unique consensus algorithm, aiming for censorship resistance and community governance. Centralized systems offer efficiency and trust in a brand. Decentralized ones offer transparency and user empowerment. The choice isn't just technical, it's ideological. Do you trust a company, or do you trust the code and the crowd? This divide is at the heart of the X money versus Pi debate. Both models have strengths and risks. The future of digital payments may depend on which philosophy prevails. Whenever Musk is involved, rumors fly, and the Pi network is no exception. In early 2025, speculation swirled that Musk was interested in Pi coin, maybe even considering a partnership or acquisition. The rumors made sense. Pi's mobile mining, energy efficiency, and huge user base fit Musk's disruptive style. His history with grassroots projects like Dogecoin only fueled the fire. Social media buzzed with excitement, but facts are scarce. As of January 2026, there's zero official confirmation from Musk, X, or Pi network about any direct involvement. The copying narrative is mostly outsider speculation based on similar goals, not insider info. In reality, X Money and Pi network are separate projects, each charting its own course. Both are responding to the same demand for better digital finance, but there's no evidence of direct collaboration. Sometimes great ideas just converge. For now, the Musk-Pi connection is more myth than fact. But the story keeps the crypto world watching. As of January 2026, X Money and Pi network are at pivotal but very different stages. X Money is still in its early days, securing licenses, building tech, and prepping for a limited beta launch. User trust will be key, especially after recent platform outages and ongoing scrutiny. Musk's team must prove X Money is secure and reliable before millions will trust it with their savings. The next year will determine if X Money can become the backbone of Musk's everything app. Meanwhile, Pi network is more mature, but faces its own crossroads. It's still in an enclosed mainnet phase. Users can mine and use Pi in the ecosystem, but can't yet trade it freely. This has built a huge loyal community, but also frustration as users wait for open trading. The transition to an open mainnet depends on mass KYC verification and enough useful apps in the ecosystem. Predictive tools suggest Picoin could gain value if it hits open markets, but nothing is certain. Pi's challenge: deliver on its promise and manage sky-high expectations. Both projects face big tests in the coming months. The race for digital payments dominance is heating up. News of X Money's similarities to Pi network has split the crypto community. Many Pi pioneers see Musk's move as validation, proof their vision was right all along. They hope Musk's project will bring mainstream attention to social payments, paving the way for Pi's open launch. Some even dream of future collaboration. For them, it's not copying, it's convergence. On the flip side, crypto purists are skeptical of X Money's centralized corporate model. They argue it betrays crypto's core values of decentralization and user control. To them, X Money is just old finance in a new wrapper. Financial analysts also question whether users will trust one company with both their social and financial lives. The copying debate, they say, oversimplifies things. Both projects are chasing the same trend, but with very different philosophies. The real test will be execution, not just vision. Whether X Money or Pi network wins, the competition is pushing the whole industry forward. The crypto world is watching and waiting. Whether Musk is copying Pi or not, X Money's arrival marks a turning point for digital payments. Both X Money and Pi network are racing to blend money with social life. One from the top down, one from the grassroots. We're moving past plastic cards and clunky apps to instant, integrated value exchange. Will the future belong to polished, centralized super apps like X, or to decentralized, community-driven networks like Pi? Maybe both will coexist, serving different needs. For users, this means more choice and convenience than ever. The pressure is on for banks and old payment systems to evolve. The winner will be whoever offers the best mix of security, ease, low cost, and trust. The real question: do you trust a brand or a community? This isn't just about digital currency, it's about building a new social and commercial world. Musk's move validates what Pi has been building for years. As 2026 unfolds, The race is on to shape the future of money. Stay tuned. How we pay, connect, and live online is about to change forever.